Hi guys, welcome and congratulations for sign up the upcoming YouTube channel making. In this video, I would like to walk you through how to set up the Gmail first before we can enter into the YouTube channel making. In case you are new to Gmail and you don't have any Gmail yet, so then this is the free training that actually I want to share with you, so that on the day of my sharing, so immediately we are able to just go in to create our YouTube account. For those that if you are already have your Gmail account, then you can skip this video. For that, I would like to prepare you what you will get in the upcoming webinar. I'm going to walk you through how to set up the YouTube channel, how to prepare your YouTube banner art by using the Canva. And in case you don't have a Canva yet, I would like to also this referral link that actually you can set up your Canva accounts during the same day. Then you'll be able to produce your channel art in the training, because in the 2 hours training, then I would like to bring you the most value, so that when you walk out from this banner, then you can have can have the ready YouTube for you to launch your services, also your products. For those that if you don't have a Gmail accounts yet, and now I would like to share with you how to create your Gmail accounts or your branded accounts by using the Gmails, so that you are able to set up your YouTube channel later. First of all, we like to go into the google.com, and this page you can see that there's a blue button on the right hand side. Just need to click in. For what actually I'm showing here in the screen, then you can see I got many accounts here in my Google. So if you already have the existing Gmail account, fine. Then if you don't have it, then we need to actually go into here to create a new account. When we come in here to click to create this, then there are 3 choices for you here. Either you can create account for yourself, personal account. The children, you probably wants to launch something for the children, for the kids, or to manage my business. So then this will be 3 different choices that actually you can make via Gmail to create your own accounts. Then for instance, you want to actually create your personal account. So what do you need to do is just put in your name and your surname, then your username. Just key in whatever username that you want, and you put in the password, then show your password, then you just click next. The first process is completed. Beside the Gmail account, I would like you to also set up your Canva, because we will be using a lot of the Canva materials to create all the different materials, like our video editing and also the YouTube thumbnail to promote your video. I would like to walk you through if you still don't have the Canva accounts yet. So then this will be the link that actually I'll be giving to you, that you just use this link. So you will come to this create your account, put in your name, your email address, and just put in your password, then get started. So your account is actually created. So I'll see you in the upcoming YouTube channel making. Bye.